For centuries, machines have helped us work. Now they're learning to work without us. Across every industry, from factories and farms to offices and hospitals, intelligent systems are replacing tasks once thought to require a human mind. Stay until number 1, because what's coming next isn't just automation. It's the end of the traditional worker, as we know it. 10. The dark factories. Manufacturing without humans. Some factories no longer turn off the lights because no one needs them. In China's dark factories, entire production lines operate 24 hours a day with 0 human workers. Robotic arms assemble smartphones, weld frames, package goods, and even repair other robots when they fail. Artificial intelligence oversees every motion through thermal and acoustic sensors, correcting errors faster than any manager could. The result, productivity up 250%, errors down 90%, costs near 0. In Dongguan, a plant that once employed 650 people, now runs with 60 engineers supervising 60,000 robots. The lights are literally off, because machines don't need to see. These ghost factories mark the birth of a new industrial species, automated, tireless, and infinitely scalable. But while factories go dark, the fields have learned to fly. 9. Agricultural drones and robotic farmers. The oldest profession on Earth has taken to the skies. Farming is becoming a high-tech ballet of drones, sensors, and algorithms. In Japan, Yamaha and DJI drones spray crops with microscopic accuracy, cutting pesticide use by 90%. In China, autonomous tractors and harvesters navigate fields day and night using LiDAR and GPS, identifying ripe plants and collecting them automatically. AI systems analyze soil chemistry, predict weather, and control irrigation, deciding when to water, when to fertilize, when to wait. The human farmer is becoming a supervisor, managing hundreds of acres from a tablet. For thousands of years, farming meant sweat and soil. Now, it means data and drones. The next revolution in labor doesn't grow from the ground. It hovers above it. 8. Warehouse robots. The new industrial army. Step inside an Amazon fulfillment center, and you'll see an army that never sleeps. Thousands of small orange robots glide across the floor, lifting shelves, sorting packages, and delivering them to human packers, or straight to conveyor belts. Every bot is tracked by a central AI that manages millions of calculations per second, preventing collisions even when 10,000 machines move at once. In Alibaba's smart warehouse, over 70% of operations are fully automated. In Germany, Siemens and DHL deploy AI forklifts that navigate dark aisles alone. These machines don't take breaks. They don't form unions. They don't strike. They simply move. Constantly. Factories built machines to assist humans. Warehouses built machines to replace them. And outside those walls, delivery itself is learning to move without us. 7. Delivery drones and sidewalk couriers. After automation in warehouses, the next frontier became the final mile, and it's already autonomous. Across major Chinese cities, self-driving delivery vehicles and sidewalk robots have become part of daily life. JD.com and Meituan run fleets of small robots that cross intersections, climb curbs, and even ride elevators to bring packages directly to your door. Amazon's Prime Air and Walmart's aerial fleets are testing drone deliveries capable of dropping parcels under 5 kilograms in under 15 minutes. Each system learns from millions of trips, improving with every route and every obstacle. Pedestrians, pets, bicycles, everything in its path. For consumers, it's the peak of convenience. For workers, it's the end of the job. The last human link in e-commerce is fading into the sky. 6. AI customer service and virtual employees. The next wave of automation isn't mechanical. It's conversational. Call centers, chat lines, and help desks across the world are being replaced by AI voices that sound and feel completely human. Modern language models detect tone, emotion, and intent. They solve problems, make recommendations, and handle thousands of conversations simultaneously, all without a single breath. In China, financial institutions now use AI avatars on video calls, interacting with clients in real time and remembering them across platforms. In the West, Airlines and banks deploy virtual assistants that handle over 80% of inquiries without human help. Most customers never realize they're talking to a machine. It's efficient, friendly, and unsettling. Because the most helpful employee you've ever met may not exist. 5. Autonomous construction and 3D printing robots. Construction sites used to echo with voices, dust, and noise. Now they hum with precision. Massive robotic 3D printers extrude concrete layer by layer, building homes in under 48 hours. China's Winsun printed an entire 10-house complex this way. In Japan and Dubai, automated cranes and drones lay bricks, weld beams, and power foundations guided by AI. These systems work through the night, immune to exhaustion or error. Algorithms calculate the perfect amount of material and the safest structural layout before a single wall rises. The result: faster, cheaper, safer, and nearly worker-free. The phrase manpower is disappearing. Tomorrow's construction worker won't wear a hard hat. It'll run on code. 4. Autonomous transport fleets. Trucks, ships, and planes, all learning to move without us. Across the U.S., autonomous trucks from Waymo, Via, and Embark haul cargo on highways completely alone. In Norway, the Yara Birkeland, the world's first autonomous cargo ship, sails through fjords guided by sensors, cameras, and satellite navigation. It docks, loads, and unloads by itself. Meanwhile, Boeing's autonomy division has tested aircraft that can taxi, take off, and land without pilots. Transport was once the largest employer on Earth. Now it's the most automated. The global supply chain doesn't need drivers anymore. It drives itself. 3. Medical robots and AI doctors in hospitals. Once symbols of human care are now shared with machines that diagnose, operate, and even empathize. AI systems like DeepMind and IBM Watson Health analyze millions of medical records to detect diseases earlier than specialists. Surgical robots such as Da Vinci perform delicate operations with microscopic precision. In China, AI radiologists read scans with over 98% accuracy, processing hundreds per minute. Nursing robots deliver medicine, monitor patients, and disinfect rooms without rest. Medicine is becoming faster, safer, and less human. Hospitals of the future will not have more doctors. They'll have more data. And the data will do the healing. 2. Algorithmic management. AI as the boss. The new boss doesn't sit at a desk. It lives in the cloud. Gig economy platforms already use algorithms to direct millions of drivers, couriers, and freelancers every second. Every route, every rating, every suspension, all decided by code. In warehouses, AI tracks performance metrics, assigns shifts, and even fires employees via automated notifications. For companies, it's flawless efficiency. For workers, it's invisible control. A system that never tires, never blinks, and never forgives. The manager has no face, no mood, no mercy. And this new boss is everywhere. 1. The fully automated economy. At the top of the list lies the ultimate transformation, an economy that runs itself. In experimental smart cities, factories, warehouses, and logistics networks are connected in one seamless digital organism. Machines buy, sell, schedule, and repair each other without human input. Energy grids, shipping routes, and financial markets synchronize automatically in real time. High-frequency trading algorithms move billions faster than neurons can fire. Retail stores track purchases through cameras and sensors. No cashiers, no checkout, no waiting. In this new world, humans are the consumers. Machines are the producers. And the global economy has turned into a self-sustaining, self-optimizing machine. We built them to help us work. Now, they've taken over the shift. From drones that farm to factories that glow in the dark, the machines of today aren't just replacing labor. They're replacing the concept of labor itself. For centuries, progress meant tools that helped us do more. Now progress means tools that do everything. The line between tool and worker has vanished. We've entered an age where machines are not our instruments. They're our colleagues, our competitors, and maybe our successors. The question isn't whether they'll replace us. It's whether we'll find anything left that only humans can do, Would you trust a world where no one needs to work, except the machines? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories from the edge of the future, because the next revolution in labor has already begun.